If you have lost the election today, it's because of Ofori Atta.
What's up, people? Welcome to today's episode of Political Rant with me, The Voice, right here on GCN TV page. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you will be notified. On today's episode, today, I know they come talk plenty. Sake of the ranting we have for do no. The person wey be they involved in this very audio way they come listen to, he now he rant already. So me my own not be say I've got talk you who the person be. So me, all that they can do be say they can play the tape give you. You now go listen. Me at the listen I no go judge. But you two go hear your word and see say what this person they talk may be true, it be right or not be right. That be why we dey here. Now this person where they can't talk no, it be MP. Where you go fit say be outgoing MP. After election now where he can't go around the abbey good morning Ghana where you go talk a peace of mind. So right this I go allow you say make you listen to whatever he talk then. You listen, you don't. You listen and you don't. You listen, you don't. Okay, then let's go.
If you have lost the election today, it's because of Ofori Atta. MPP has won this election because of Ofori Atta. Gabby has won and Asati
Sir?
I'm mentioning names.
Mention.
What have they done?
What have they done? Ofori Atta was there. Who? In 2000, you remember what President Ofori said when he was campaigning?
Remind us.
You remember?
No.
What did he say?
What does that mean? Economy.
Okay.
2016, what did President Ofori say at trade fair? What the Bawumia so we see mind. What was he talking about?
Okay.
Economy. How can we win a nation in this country without the economy? Why do you think our nations are punished the way they have?
But the people you mentioned, apart from
they are not
responsible.
Calm down.
Yes. Now, the president kept Ken there for 1 year and 2 months, 14 months.
After you have been assured.
After we have been assured. Yes. 2017, my brother is here. Anytime Ken came to deliver the budget, wasn't it about Bawumia present?
It be true.
2018 wasn't he there?
It be true.
2019 wasn't he there? 2020, they cut off Bawumia. That's where all the excessive borrowing and the intolerable introduction of taxes on the people of this country started.
Okay.
That's what they cut Bawumia off.
Listen, we don't judge.
Some people say we have to build a party. And we MPP needs an open heart surgery to build this party. We cannot be sweeping this under the carpet.
Okay.
They are not jokers. And you can say, Randy, we are not leading, we are not senior members, we are leading members of the party. We have to let the base believe that we have handed over power to the NDC. The received wisdom in Westminster says that opposition parties don't win elections, governments lose them. We have lost the power to NDC.
Okay.
We did all this, Randy. The man was kept there. Now, Gabby became the chief advisor to the finance minister. They were the ones drawing the budget.
This is just an allegation.
I'm telling you. I'm talking those allegations.
No, it's an allegation.
I'm telling you.
Yes.
He was the one drawing the budget.
How?
Okay. If you don't want to challenge me, let's do another day. Now, we did all this. Businessmen, campaign time, we go to them. Yes, businessmen. Even 2 weeks ago, I was going to lobby for some funds for one of our young pieces. But my Eugene family on them. Yes, Randy. Look, this party, see here, open heart surgery. We should be sweeping it under the carpet. I have no personal animals against Ofori Atta. What are you opinion? But obey. When the time got when the curtain falls, you come off the stage. You took the country out of IMF, but maybe he couldn't contain it. So the time is, Mr. President, thank you very much. You have an opportunity to serve my nation. Can I now humbly lead the scene? To appoint someone? No, and also he was there. I'm the president. Then the executive power. Okay. Then we lost it. Not only that. On the heels of that, the presidential and parliamentary primaries. Randy, I sit here and I tell you in no uncertain terms that the best conducted presidential and parliamentary primary in the MPP was under that Kwabena Japan and Bolafoko. That was what got the 169.
Kwabena Japan and Bolafoko.
You didn't have any independence. That's what gave the Kufuor 1 million votes.
2016.
That's the best. Anybody can challenge me. If we talk about results in politics.
Yeah, we talk
about 69
results.
Kwabena Japan and our focus executive brought that about. You make sure that all of us have lost our primaries. Just because we said the president must get rid of his cousin. You see the end result, 88 MPs. You see me going that well, I felt that even Yabuama and Temasendro have flipped. So it's no more 88. What kind of legacy are we leaving? What kind of legacy are we leaving? Now we are back to hostile territory. Then the party was then, in a state of paralysis. Because of the overbearing nature of the executive presidency that we are practicing. But we have the party machine, the president can't do much. But he sat there, and all the presidents want to seat all the ones that they want to. He didn't want back in parliament.
You mean he had an interest in your primaries?
No. What do you mean he had an interest? He was the interest.
We listen, we don't
yes,
judge.
He was the interest in the primaries. That's all kind. He told us when we were ministers, he told us.
That what?
So this man might be minister.
He has control over them. But the rest, left him alone. There are some of them he wouldn't want to see in parliament. He said it twice, Ofori and
He told you.
Oh. Me, I don't come and sit here and me with what kind of account? He told us, all my other colleagues, he said it. Ofori, he said it at Accra National Conference Center. Your MPs who are going down there to find money to campaign for you to become president. You are telling me because now you're 169. Randy and Smakoso. Now, Parliament, with barely 6-7 months to the end of our term.
This one, and not plenty people they talk.
You change leadership.
Not plenty people.
You change the almighty Osechemi Sabunsu.
Almighty, eh? Yeah, people they talk.
You change the almighty Osechemi Sabunsu.
He's not indispensable.
No, baby, but he was on his way out.
Okay.
People they talk.
There's something called dignity. Dignity.
Do you think he was embarrassed?
Yes.
And it was deliberate.
Since chair was removed, have you ever seen peace in that room? My brother, you are here. Ask him. Since chair was removed.
And the thing was deliberate.
Oh, of course deliberate because chair came to my house for that kind of rata meeting. And he was told.
So who changed it?
Oh. Now what did you make Kenya make a good saying? Jama, how many MPP no? MPP are Kufuor.
How?
And the other man come and so now, parliamentary committees. Me, I called I said, you're my brother. I've known Kufuor more than you. You are almost 10 years older than you. Take it from me. Don't let anybody use you. Because you have a crowd that will follow you in future. And if you're not careful, you'll be used. It's committees, leave it intact. We have 3 months to go. Leave it. And they're not interested in changing committees. Why are you interested? After he looked at me and said, Aze, and I'm okay, I speak French with him. I'm okay, sure. Let me come and chew. Randy. Atta was removed as energy committee chair. What for? Boakye was removed as finance committee chair. What for? 3 months, you shared that. Only, you have not had any committee meeting in 3 months. So why change them? And look at the poison atmosphere in parliament. Because you cannot rely on your experienced members of parliament to come and help you do government work. So that's the state of parliament. Then Ababa Besun Sembeka, your friend. So now parliament, Afenyo is there with us, Babintu is there with the family boy and his people on that one side.
So that was it. What do you think? Is this man right? Is he talking out of bitterness? Is he pained? Is it because he lost his primaries? We listen, we don't judge. But let me know what your view is, and to be able to come across more content like this one on the Political Rant with me, the voice, right here on GCN TV page, remember, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And then when you are done with all these things, turn on the notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. See you in the next one. Cheers.